An Indian working for the United Nations in Gaza has become the first non-Palestinian staffer to be killed during the current Gaza conflict when his vehicle was attacked on way to a hospital in Rafah. The victim was identified as Colonel Vaibhav Anil Kale, who had started working a month ago as a security coordinator for the UN in Gaza. Kale, who worked for the UN Department of Safety and Security, joins the roster of more than 200 Indians who have died in the service of the UN. Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the UN, condemned the attack and called for a full investigation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday filed nomination in Varanasi for the Lok Sabha elections. The PM was accompanied by CM Yogi Adityanath and Pandit Ganeshwar Shastri and other senior leaders. Before his nomination, PM Modi offered prayers at the Shashwamedh Ghat and then at the Kal Bhairav temple. All eyes are now on Union Home Minister Amit Shah's Odisha visit, as he is set to hold a massive roadshow in Cuttack on 15th May. This will be BJP's second mega roadshow in Odisha. The roadshow, which will begin from Gopa Bandhu Park, will cover several important junctions in Cuttack including Bakshi Bazar, Tinikonia Bagicha, Dargah Bazar, Chaudhry Bazar, Naya Sarak, Balu Bazar, Chandni Chowk and Mohammadiya Bazar, and culminate at Chandi Mandir Chak. Senior BJP leaders of the city informed that the roadshow is scheduled to start at 4 p.m. In the case pertaining to misleading ads, the Supreme Court has exempted Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna from personal appearance. Supreme Court reserved its order on a contempt plea against Ramdev, Balkrishna and others. SC also granted time to Patanjali to file affidavits indicating the steps taken to recall ads of Patanjali products of which licenses have been suspended and for recalling medicines. And, as per IMD, there will be no large change in the maximum temperature during the next 2 days, and it is expected to rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius at many places over the districts of Odisha thereafter. However, there is forecast of thunderstorm with lightning accompanied with gusty surface wind at 1 or 2 places over the districts of Malkangiri, Koraput, Nabrangapur, Noapada, Bolangir, Kalahandi, Kandhamal, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Dhenkanal, Angul, Bargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Sundargarh, Baleswar, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapara, Cuttack, Jagtsinghpur, Puri, Khordha, Nayagarh, Ganjam, Gajpati in next 24 hours.